What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdie Gator. So you know when your phone is out of memory and you think you're filming a video, but you're really not? Yeah, that's what I was just doing. I had to go and delete some things that had been sitting, I had to go and delete some things, you guys, that had been sitting around. But I'm glad I actually did because, you know, this week on Ibotta, we are getting like $3 back per Revlon item. Like $3 back for face, $3 back for lips, $3 back for eyes. And I was thinking that it was Maybelline, but it is actually Revlon. So if you have the Ibotta app, definitely check out the deals that I'm talking about, because you could spend $1 on Revlon and get $3 back. And I believe the limit is 2. So you could actually come to Dollar Tree, spend a few dollars, and make like triple that if you're into those sort of deals. But yeah, you guys, we still have name brand deals in here. The Precision lip liners from Maybelline, the Color Sensational lipsticks, and the Superstay multi-use foundation sticks, all by Maybelline. And then we have the brand new mask remover sponges that are backed by EcoTools. And then we have lots of new Ioni, lots of pretty lashes, super cute. They made the packaging look sort of like designer handbag inspired. Ioni just has the cutest packaging, don't they? We have brow pencils, we have the pencil duos, we have the LA Color lashes, we have elf lashes, of course the Wet n Wild brushes. These are really good. If you've never tried one, I really like them a lot. Let's see if we have anything else brand new over here. We have so many new varieties of the iGlow fashion polishes, 3 to a pack. We have this variety up here, this one, this one, this one. There's probably like 8 different boxes, and all of them have at least one metallic polish inside. This one, all 3 are metallic. We have that one back there. And one of my other locations, we had a display of brand new iGlow single polishes that were like normal size. But here in this location, they just have the new 3-piece sets. Okay, you guys, let's head down this way. The Jade facial rollers, the under eye massagers. Those are all nice finds. They would make really nice stocking stuffers if you're already shopping for stocking stuffers. It always takes me a while. It always takes me like 2 or 3 months of picking up a few things here and there to get like a nice variety of stocking stuffers for my kids. I like to get them fun things, useful things, candy, snacks. Their stockings are about 3 feet tall and about 1.5 to 2 feet wide. So it's a really, really big stocking for me to fill. But they love the stockings, and they say that that's like one of their favorite traditions of Christmas. I let them wake up and get right to their stockings, and then we normally eat some breakfast, and then we all do presents as a family. I think these might be new. Let me know if you guys do stockings also, and if you do you have any cute Christmas stocking sort of like, what's the word, you guys? Rituals? No. Traditions. Sometimes you just draw a blank. I want to take you guys down to this other end cap because sometimes they have additional beauty, hygiene, and makeup items. Yes, this is the one. And these are the polishes I was telling you guys about. These are the single eye glow polishes I was telling you guys about. And then we have a nice big container of the beauty blenders. So many cute varieties. These would also make a really, really cute stocking stuffer. What are these? Little makeup remover towels that are reusable. These are cute. We have this variety. These, they look like fleece. Aw, they're so cute. These remind me, to anyone that's ever breastfed, these kind of remind me, and hey, maybe they would double as that. These remind me of the little nursing pads. They're super cute. Now in Dollaree last week, we found the full display of these. We found strawberry, mint, grape, and coconut, and so far the strawberry is sold out, and the coconut and the grape are almost sold out, and the mint looks pretty much full. Strawberry is the one I would have gone for as well. But last week, I was really good. I passed. I didn't grab any at all. And these are still here. These are so cute. A cute little line. Again, excellent stocking stuffers. We have Remy Rose items here. Lip glosses. Another lip gloss. The Favorites flavored lip balms. One bath bomb left. I got some last week. Oh, there's one more here. They smell really good, you guys. We have the Hibiscus and Rose Hip shampoo and conditioner. And we have the little bags, the little makeup bags. Let's see if we have any new cute toys or possible stocking stuffer items over here. I got one of these months ago. Isn't it cute? Look at this, you guys. So, so cute. Little bathtub. Aww. You could use it as a planter or whatever you want. I think it's just super cute. I just was like, I have to have one of these. And the crafts behind me. Tons of vinyl paper for everyone that has a Cricut. You get it much cheaper here. Ooh, these are pretty. Look at these letters. Beautiful iridescent shift from pink to iridescent. Super pretty. The metallic markers. All the stickers. These are so pretty. Wow, look at these. I love those. I really like these as well. Okay, you guys, well, we're gonna look at even more items throughout the store, so definitely come back to the very next video. We're gonna look at more items. I'm pretty much filming nothing but Dollar Tree videos, with the exception of some filming in Walmart. Those are gonna be, well, you guys, okay, you guys, we'll definitely come back to my very next video. I'm gonna be sharing a lot more new finds here in Dollar Tree. I'm also gonna be filming some Christmas videos in Walmart. I haven't even checked out the home decor here yet. Not yet. Oh, these are so cute, these little glass containers. These would be so perfect for glitter and little tiny things. Or what if you made little tiny Christmas scenes? Like, they would have to be so small though. Anyways, you guys, that's it for me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.